Did you know that these tiny green pods hold a treasure trove of health benefits and culinary magic? Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the incredible world of cardamom, the queen of spices. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll see why cardamom deserves a spot in your kitchen and your wellness routine. First up, let's talk about health. Cardamom isn't just a spice, it's a powerhouse of goodness. Here's what it can do for you. 1. Improves digestion. Struggling with bloating or indigestion? A pinch of cardamom can work wonders by stimulating digestive enzymes. 2. Boosts immunity. Packed with antioxidants, cardamom helps your body fight off free radicals, keeping you healthy and strong. 3. Heart health. Hero. Studies suggest cardamom may help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. 4. Freshens. Breath. Forget chewing gum. Ancient cultures used cardamom seeds as a natural breath freshener. 5. Supports respiratory health. Feeling under the weather? Cardamom's warming properties can ease cold symptoms and improve breathing. Cardamom isn't just healthy, it's versatile in the kitchen. Here's how you can use it. Add it to your morning tea or coffee for a fragrant twist. Enhance your curries and soups with its rich aromatic flavor. Create heavenly desserts like cardamom-spiced cakes or puddings. Pro tip: always grind cardamom fresh to unlock its full aroma and flavor. To get the most out of your cardamom, store it in an airtight container away from heat and sunlight. Whole pods last longer than ground cardamom, so consider buying them whole and grinding as needed. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of cardamom for your health, your kitchen, and beyond. Remember, the quality of cardamom you choose makes all the difference. The best quality cardamom elevates your dishes and offers the most potent health benefits. We Alnadim Exim provides best quality cardamom in retail as well as in bulk quantity. We provide fresh directly the farmers at your home place. If you want to order from us, please click on the link in description for order. You will not find this price which we offer anywhere else. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Drop a comment below and let us know, how do you use cardamom in your life? We'd love to hear from you.